What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And if you are here, you may have come from the last video I just finished, and this is the remnants of it, and this was comparing Ultima with Ethos DeFi and CarPro ECH2O. Today we're just gonna do a quick one. Now I'm testing my theory out that I like the Eagle Edgeless 350s more than I like the 500s. I think they're just too thick of a towel for my liking. I like the high pile, but I like the maneuverability of the 350s. I think that might be my go-to for waterless wash going forward. And again, we have Drago towels for buff off. These are two products we're going to test real quick. This is Gods Waterless Wash and Wax, made with high-grade carnauba wax. And we have Adams Polish's CS3, which is supposed to clean, shine, and protect. It does three things, but so does this. So I've got experience with both. I don't really have too much of an opinion on this, which is why I think the video is pretty cool. So we're going to start with this one, because Adams is everybody's favorite princess. Here's what I think we're going to do. I just finished the other video, and I did the whole side, but I didn't do the back quarter panel here or on that side. So I'm just going to do those panels. I'm going to liberally, and I'm going to go into the bumper. So what we're going to do, just give it a little extra, right? And because I don't care. Now we're gonna take our 350 and we're just gonna give it a swiperoo. I can tell you from what I remember, the smell is much better with the Adams product than the Gods. I know the Gods has more of a chemical smell. Okay, and as such testing, just gonna mist the panel, take our Drago and go over it. Let's see what we got. Feels nice and slick to the touch. Yeah, definitely feels pretty slick. I'm gonna flip the towel over, do a final buff. Yeah. Pretty slick. Got a nice little gloss going on there. And it feels, I don't know, feels actually pretty nice. Feels pretty nice. Possibly comparable to Ultima. So let's take this one. I know this one was a good product. I've used it before. I have the sprayer on this. This is much better than the one on the Adams bottle. I can tell you that much. Whoa, focus much. Okay. Definitely more of a chemical smell. Let's go. Now, this one flashes a little bit better. It also feels a little smoother when I'm wiping, the initial wipe. So, now that we've got it wiped, mist, and we're gonna take our left hand this time. Whoa, whoa. Hold up. It's crazy. That's kind of crazy. I don't know. I didn't expect that. That's very Slick. I haven't used this in a while. I did post a video about this quite some time ago where I did it on the Hellcat. Yeah. Wow. So, opinion? I think waterless wash and wax just beat CS3. And not only that, you know, these are very comparable products. They're both on what I would call the bougie meter, so they're both pricey, very pricey for what they are and the sizes you get. They're not dilutable, but at the end of the day, you know, this one's touting high grade carnauba protection. Look at the dust and dirt on that. Let's see what we picked up with this one. Again, both panels were pretty dirty. Here we go. So they both did a good job cleaning. I would say pleasant smell wise, Adams all day over this. I don't really like the smell of this. It's a strange scent, but the sprayer on this one far passes the CS3 and the Adams product sprayer. Far passes it. It's weird. It's very strange that they didn't invest in it. A better sprayer. So smell, they win. Sprayer, they win. Slickness, Wax Gods, it's gonna edge. It's gonna edge it out. And you know, I don't want to disappoint some of you Adams polishes guys, because I know that you've been taught to think that that's the only company, and then some of you even go on a limb and tell me that it's about loyalty. It's not supposed to be about loyalty, guys. It's supposed to be about what company is doing the most for you, what company is making your process a priority for them. Not what company is coming out with the coolest onesies with a butt flap, or what company is coming out with a special storage container for $3,000 to put their overpriced detail spray bottles that they come out with seasonally with custom funny little cartoon characters on them that people are collecting religiously for some reason, thinking that it's going to turn into Bitcoin or Pokemon one day. I don't get that either. I think detailing should be, yes, some loyalty, but it needs to be loyalty to a very good product. Like Ultima Waterless Wash, I'm loyal to that. As far as window cleaners go, I'm loyal to Meguiar's Glass Cleaner Concentrate because of the value, because of the smell, because of the effectiveness. When something checks off multiple boxes, then you gotta figure it out and use that. But yeah, guys, as far as shine goes, I mean, listen, you can't go wrong with both. I'm nitpicking. I am nitpicking, but you want my opinion. If you do want it and you value my opinion, they both do what they're touting to do. They clean and they protect, and you know, that's great. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much for all the support. I truly appreciate it. That's all we got for you today. If you think of another combination of one product versus another, or three products against each other, it doesn't matter if it's waterless wash, rinseless wash, detail spray, shampoo, anything. I'll look into it and I might possibly do it. And just a disclaimer, I'm going to say this in every type of video like this. I am not a professional detailer. I am a prosumer and I have an opinion. That does not mean that my opinion invalidates yours, or that you're wrong or I'm right and you're right. Anything like that. It's just me giving how I feel to you, and you do with that information as you please. I personally think that this wins, and that's that. And it has nothing to do with the fact that I think that they're a hypocritical company that turned into a merchandise company over a detailing company, because they used to be made in the USA, and now I'm getting products in mail saying made in China. But that's got nothing to do with that, because I still feel like their wheel cleaner is one of the best wheel cleaners I've used. Possibly not for long, but we're going to be doing versus videos on that too. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys on the next one.